Every believer knows what it feels like to wait, to pray, to hope, and to wonder why God hasn't opened the door you've been knocking on. This is where we meet Jordan, a faithful, hardworking believer who has been asking God for one thing: direction. Jordan has been praying for clarity about his purpose, his next step, his calling. But every time he reaches for a door, it shuts. Every time he thinks he's found the right path, it collapses beneath him. Jordan begins to wonder if he's doing something wrong, if he's missing God's voice, if he's somehow fallen behind. One night, overwhelmed and discouraged, Jordan sits on the floor of the hallway and whispers, "Lord, why won't any door open for me?" The hallway grows quiet. A warm light appears behind him. A gentle, faceless figure, the Waymaker, steps forward, radiating peace. "Jordan, you've been knocking on doors. I never called you to enter." He gestures toward the hallway. The doors glow faintly. Closed doors are not rejection. They are protection. He touches one door. It dissolves into dust. "I close what will harm you. I redirect what will delay you. I withhold what is not aligned with your purpose." Jordan looks confused, but hopeful. Then, what am I supposed to do? The Waymaker raises his hand. A new door appears at the end of the hallway, bright, glowing, unlike the others. "Walk with me. I will show you the door you didn't expect." With every step, Jordan feels lighter. Not because he understands everything, but because he finally trusts the one leading him. They reach the glowing door. The Waymaker places Jordan's hand on the handle. "This is the door I prepared for you. Not the one you prayed for, but the one you need." Jordan opens it. A burst of warm light fills the screen. Jordan steps into a new world. Open fields, clear skies, a path stretching forward with purpose. Jordan realizes something powerful. God's no was never punishment. It was preparation. It was protection. It was love. Just like Jordan, you may be standing in a hallway of closed doors. You may feel forgotten, overlooked, or stuck. But God is not withholding good from you. He is guiding you toward the door He designed for your purpose. Trust His timing. Trust His redirection. Trust the door you didn't expect. If you're ready to walk in clarity, if you're ready to trust God's timing, if you're ready to grow with a community that speaks life into your purpose, join us inside the Affirm Your Greatness community on School, a faith-driven space for believers who want to rise, heal, and walk boldly in their God-given calling. Your door is coming. Your path is opening. Walk with God into the greatness He prepared for you.